Change burned out headlight bulbs on a Lexus RX 300. A vehicle with a personality. That was what the Lexus RX 300 stood for as it became a pioneer in what came to be known as the hybrid vehicles. The original design blended the attributes of a truck and a passenger car, which made the ride very comfortable even if it had the functions of an SUV. The standard lube, oil, and filter are maintenance procedures for your vehicle which you should have on a regular basis. There are other maintenance procedures that you can do on your own without the hassle of taking the vehicle to the dealership. One common procedure is changing the busted headlight bulb on the vehicle. Headlight assembly. Pop the hood of the vehicle and look for the headlight casing. The assembly is positioned on the front end of the vehicle on both the left and right region of your engine. Yank the bulb cover of the headlights up and remove the bulb cover to expose the plug-in connector. Connectors. At the rear of the whole headlight assembly is an electrical connector. What you need to do is to unplug this connector. To do this, you need to first grasp the plug-in connector, gently squeeze it and slowly pull it out from the assembly. Removing the bulb. Now that the connector is out, gently rotate the busted bulb counterclockwise and pluck out the bulb from the housing assembly of the headlights. Getting the right bulb. If in case you still haven't bought the replacement bulbs because you do not know what bulb to install, look for your part number from the busted bulb around the bottom area. If you're still having a hard time looking for it, you can always check on the owner's manual, or better yet you may opt to call the service or parts department of your dealership. Bulb replacement. Now that you have the correct bulb, you would need to reverse the process in number 4. To replace the bulb, just insert the replacement bulb and rotate it clockwise into the housing assembly of the headlights. Remember to avoid touching the replacement bulb, as oils that will stick to the glass from your fingers might cause a chemical reaction that can ignite once the bulb is turned on. Now plug in the connector back to the headlight casing. Changing a busted headlight bulb is not at all complicated to do. You do not need to be a certified mechanic to perform this action, and you will be able to save a trip at the dealership that may cost you some dollars. It is important to remember that when performing a do-it-yourself maintenance repair work that you should have the right tools and the correct replacement part. It is also advisable to perform a little advance research before you start tinkering with anything under the hood, or for the whole vehicle for that matter. Yes, there are maintenance stuff that you can do and maybe a few minor repairs on the vehicle, but do not overstep your limitation, as there are things that only a certified mechanic can do. Fortunately, headlight bulb replacement is something that you can do.